Welcome dear friends, this is Laboratory's YouTube channel and in this video we will look at Cue Card. Describe your first day at school. Sample cue card is describe your first day at school. You have to cover the following cues in this cue card: where it was, what happened, and explain how you felt on that day. So the sample answer for this cue card is, well, everybody misses their school life as they spend a significant amount of time there. Here I would like to talk about my first day at school. I attended a play-way school before starting my formal education from primary education. The name of this establishment was Little Moon Kindergarten, which is still quite famous in my city. I don't remember exactly, but I was a little bit nervous as well as excited on that day. My mother dressed me up and took me to school to drop me there, as it was not too far. I have to say, I started shedding tears when my mother left me alone in the classroom. It was the very first time when I was away from my mother around strangers for almost a day. But my class teacher made me feel comfortable because she was very nice and polite. She introduced me to the whole class and also gave me candies which made me comfortable. I made some friends, so I began enjoying the class and lessons. On that day, our teachers sang a few poems and involved us in group activities, which was an amazing experience. During the lunch break, I shared my meal with others and we enjoyed it together. Finally, my mother came back to take me home and I was very happy. So that was a beautiful day of my life when I started my schooling. So this was the sample cue card. Now we will look at follow-ups for this cue card. Do you think students should be taken to school by their parents or go by themselves? Well, I think pupils should be taken to school by their guardians during their primary school. At that time, they are immature, so they always need someone who can guide them in everything. But students during high and secondary school should go on their own as they start understanding everything. Should children rely on their parents or be independent? I believe children should rely on their parents during their developing years. At that time, they don't earn money and have to ask their parents for daily needs. However, they should become independent as soon as they start earning. How can children become more independent? I would say young children can become independent in many ways. Firstly, they can take part in household chores, which will make them responsible. Secondly, they can start part-time jobs while they study, which can make them independent. Finally, they should start making small decisions on their own. What is the effect if parents interfere with children's life too much? I think it puts a negative effect on children when parents interfere with their life. They start feeling bad for their parents, which is not good for their relationship. Then it hinders their physical as well as mental growth, as their parent may not allow them to go out with others. So these were the follow-ups for this cue card. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. Please do subscribe to our channel and We also live on following social media websites. We live on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. Do follow us there. Thank you.